Next, I'd like to show you how to use the line tool. Let's drag to a spot where we could use the line tool. For instance, on this great room, perhaps we'd like to know the perimeter of it to make a baseboard calculation. To do this, zoom in a little bit more, and we'll select this line tool right here. Now let's choose a different visible color. We'll use this yellow color. Now to be able to start, let's start here on this corner. And similar as using the area tool, simply click on the correct corners. However, we may not wish to have baseboard around the fireplace, in which case we can use the break line tool. Once we click that tool, it will temporarily jump, and you can click on the spot where you'd like to start once again. Same as the area tool, as you create more shapes or more dots, it'll live update your perimeter, giving us a total perimeter of the baseboard in this great room of 47 feet 10 inches. Once we're done, we click Finish Shape, and again we can rename it Great Room Baseboard. Now that you're familiar with the line and the shape tools for your basic takeoffs, let's talk about another tool. Let's zoom out, and I'd like to show you the text tool. The text tool functions in that you will click the first spot, which will be the point that the leader line will come off from, the next spot where you'd like the flag to appear. To edit the text of the flag, you'll click the E button, in which case you can drag and rename. So that you can include the text. You can also reduce or increase the size by using this box on the upper right hand side. To change the size of the box, you may use this arrow tool. Once you're done, again click the select button to deselect. Another feature of the estimation toolbox is the stamp tool. The stamp tool will have various subsets of stamps that you'll be able to apply to this plan. Again, you may want to create a new overlay specifically for stamps. In this case, I'll show you how you can create ceiling fan stamps. In this case, you'll be able to actually put a ceiling fan, which will be stamped onto the plan any place that you may have a ceiling fan. When you're done, if you would like to know how many times you've clicked the ceiling fan, how many ceiling fans are on the plan, you go up to View and click Show Stamp Report, in which case it will show you how many ceiling fans or any other shape that you have used will appear. There are many tools you can use, including electrical or plumbing or HVAC tools, as well as miscellaneous stamps in addition to the traditional stamps that we have there before. So you may actually use miscellaneous different stars or objects to represent something of your own choice, such as a security camera. For instance, you may have the green circle represent a light post or something else to that nature. To deselect, click again. And then the scale tool, you may be wondering what that is used for. A trade contractor will never actually have to use a scale tool. It's a tool that the general contractor uses to scale the sheet so that your takeoffs may come very accurately. The color palette we've also discussed. One more important feature that I'd like to show is in the View box, you may go to Show Area Report. All those different shapes that you've created in the past will show up here in this area report. The Fuller Home is going to be the name of the plan set, with each beige bar acting as the name of each drawing within the plan set. Within each beige drawing, you'll see different blue bars which represent each different overlay on that plan. So let's find our main floor plan. Here at the main floor plan, we're seeing several different layers of which we've created. As I showed you before, there's a countertop layer, and as well as our demonstration layer, which we created several different shapes. Right here is the two-car garage with the aqua color, and it's going to give us the perimeter as well as the area totals. Also have our great room baseboard, which is colored in yellow, with its perimeter as well. You can actually, for each overlay, you can click color totals, and it'll give you the entire colors, all the different shapes of the same color added together with both perimeter and area. You can use this to your advantage by perhaps coating all of your carpets as yellow and having different shapes in each room, and then by clicking color totals, we'll add all the different yellow shapes for your carpet overlay, and giving you the perimeter as well as the square footage for that carpet takeoff. It will also, if you click all totals, will give you the totals of all shapes and all colors, irregardless of what color or shape it might be, giving you the total perimeter as well as square footage. You may also use the print function to save this for later viewing. Please remember, whenever you are done, click File and Save. If you don't click Save and you close this toolbox, you will lose progress in the shapes that you've created so